Step into a world where glass and light intersect, creating a kaleidoscopic effect. This installation blends the beauty of botanicals with the artistry of glass, creating a stunning visual spectacle that highlights the intricate relationship between nature and human creativity. In an immersive experience of fantastical illumination, envision a garden where flames flicker and dance in a choreographed display of fire and light. This installation combines the primal allure of fire with the tranquility of a garden, creating a space where warmth and light merge, symbolizing the gathering of family and friends around the fire's glow. During the festive season, walk down a vibrant path where electric colors pulse and flow. This installation is a celebration of energy and life, with lights that dance to the rhythm of the season's excitement, echoing the joyous heartbeats of those who wander through this electric dreamscape. Look upwards to a canopy of twinkling lights, set against the backdrop of the night sky. This installation transforms trees into a natural cathedral of light, inviting visitors to marvel at the beauty of nature interwoven with the artistry of illumination, creating a tranquil yet awe-inspiring. Prepare for an unexpected journey through a world of whimsical lights and shadows. This installation is a playful dance of surprise and delight, where each turn reveals a new, enchanting display, capturing the magic and unpredictability of the holiday spirit. Relive the nostalgia of childhood fairgrounds, alive with the sound of laughter and the thrill of lights. This installation recreates the excitement of a festive carnival, with lights that mimic the movements of rides and games, enveloping visitors in a joyous atmosphere of timeless holiday fun. Imagine a waterfall of brilliant lights, each strand representing a fleeting moment of joy. This installation captures the essence of a natural cascade, transforming it into a mesmerizing display of luminosity and motion, symbolizing life's continuous flow and the ever-changing tapestry of the holiday season. Step into a realm where light bends reality, creating a vortex of glowing wonder. This installation plays with perception, offering a glimpse into a world where the boundaries of light and space intertwine, inviting visitors to lose themselves. Behold a lake transformed into a living canvas of light, where colors ripple and flow in a mesmerizing display. This installation is a celebration of fluidity and reflection, creating an enchanting atmosphere that mirrors the sky and surrounding landscape in a dance of light and water. This installation is a haven of hope and dreams, where visitors are encouraged to pause and make a wish amidst the soft, glowing lights. It's a reflective space that reminds us of the power of aspiration and the beauty of believing in the magic of the season. Witness a graceful ballet of sparks and light, where floating candles drift on water, creating a serene, almost otherworldly spectacle. This installation blends the elements of fire and water in a dance of harmony and tranquility, evoking a sense of peace and wonder. Named after a delicate flower, this installation celebrates the subtle beauty of nature. It features lights that sway gently, mimicking the movement of flowers in a breeze, creating an atmosphere of calm and balance, reminding us of the gentle, yet profound beauty of the natural world. Gaze upon a geometric marvel, where lights form trapezoidal patterns reaching towards the sky. This installation is a fusion of art and architecture, symbolizing the human endeavor to reach for the stars and the limitless potential of imagination and creativity. This installation creates a mystical garden, bathed in the gentle glow of moonlight. It's a place where reality and fantasy converge, with flowers illuminated in soft lunar hues, inviting visitors to wander through a dreamscape of serene, moonlit beauty. Behold a majestic oak tree, transformed into a glowing symbol of strength and resilience. This installation is a tribute to the enduring spirit of the holidays, with lights that wrap around the tree, symbolizing the continuity and connection of family traditions across generations. Experience the awe of a cathedral constructed entirely from lights. This installation evokes feelings of reverence and splendor, reminiscent of a traditional church during Christmas. inspiring a sense of wonder and spiritual reflection. This installation captures the essence of a beehive, buzzing with life and activity. It's a tribute to the collective effort and harmony of nature, with lights that pulse and glow in patterns that mimic the intricate social structure and tireless work of bees. Imagine an interactive, playful installation that comes to life with bursts of light and color. This whimsical creation captures the essence of surprise and delight, embodying the playful spirit and unexpected joys of the holiday season. This installation is a gentle reminder of the beauty and simplicity. It focuses on the small, often overlooked details of the holiday season, encouraging visitors to appreciate the little things that make life special and meaningful. The grand finale. This installation is a breathtaking fusion of light and sound. It encapsulates the joy, harmony, and spirit of Christmas in a spectacular display, creating a sensory experience that resonates with the heartbeats of all who witness it, leaving a lasting impression of wonder and awe. Follow the playful path of a robin, a beloved symbol of Christmas. This installation is a light-filled journey that mirrors the flight of a robin, weaving through the landscape, bringing joy and cheerfulness to all who embark on this delightful trail. Each installation at Christmas at Q is not just a display of lights, but a journey through the heart of the holiday season, offering a unique and unforgettable experience that celebrates the joy, wonder, and magic of Christmas.